How to Read Best Places Public Transportation is a comprehensive guide to understanding public transportation systems in various cities across the United States. Best Places is a website that provides detailed information on the cost of living, climate, and transportation options for cities and towns. To start, navigate to the Best Places website and select the city you are interested in. Once you have selected the city, click on the Transportation tab to view the public transportation options available. The transportation page will provide an overview of the city's public transportation system, including the types of transportation available, such as buses, trains, and subways. The next step is to review the transit score, which is a measure of how well a city's public transportation system serves its residents. A high transit score indicates that the city has a comprehensive and convenient public transportation system. You can also view a map of the city's public transportation routes and stops. In addition to the transit score and map, Best Places also provides information on the frequency and coverage of public transportation in the city. This includes the number of routes, the frequency of service, and the areas of the city that are covered. You can also view information on the cost of public transportation, including the cost of a single ride, a monthly pass, and any discounts that may be available. To get the most out of the Best Places public transportation information, it is a good idea to compare the transportation options in different cities. This can help you determine which city has the best public transportation system for your needs. You can also use the information to plan your daily commute or to explore the city without a car. Some best practices for using Best Places public transportation information include checking the website regularly for updates, using the transit score as a guide when evaluating cities, and considering the cost and convenience of public transportation when making decisions about where to live or visit. By following these steps and using the information provided by Best Places, you can make informed decisions about public transportation and navigate cities with ease.